Morning guys, what's up? It's Tuesday. It's like 6 in the morning now. We woke up at 5 to get ready for the gym. We're going early because I have a hair appointment at 10 o'clock and I value leg day, so I convinced Colin to wake up early so we could go to the gym. If you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. And if you're always around, what's up guys? Welcome back.
Good morning.
Sorry, I need to stop cutting Colin's head off. Honestly, he should probably just hold it and then I'll just be down here in the back, but it's fine. Yeah, so anyways, today's question of the day. It's not necessarily a question today. It's more of like me trying to make you provoke a thought. But it's for you guys to think about who your inner 5 are, like in your inner circle, and if those 5 people are adding value to your life, and if they're motivating you, and if they stand behind you and what you believe in, and if they're always bringing positivity, and if you say, hey, I want to do this, they're like, oh dude, we totally support you. Like, are those what your top 5 people do, or are they more like
it's a reflection process? So like, if the people in your inner circle only care about getting high all the time or getting drunk all the time, then they're probably not a good influence for you. Or
if you're trying to live a positive and healthy lifestyle.
So it all depends on like the lifestyle you want to live, and if those people are, is conducive the right word, or if those people are fitting for the lifestyle you want to live, and if they try to represent the lifestyle as well. Or
maybe you've tried so hard to reach a healthy lifestyle and all this stuff, but you couldn't figure out what's holding you back. Sometimes it's your inner 5 that you don't even know but are subconsciously holding you back, and that could just like elicit a feeling of like, oh, I can't do it because like deep down you're thinking, oh, I will get judged, or I don't know what people will think about me. But in reality, your top 5 people should support you no matter what, and they should want to back you and want to go down whatever journey you're going on with you, you know? So it's just kind of like a thought-provoking question.
You're always the most similar to the people that you're closest with and hang out with the most.
Yeah, so we always try and surround ourselves with like our most important and most positive 5, and I feel like everybody should do that because that truly does impact your life in a more positive way. So that's just like a little thought for
a little reflection.
Yeah, you can comment down below though if you do think your positive 5 are like amazing, or if this made you realize like I might need to clear up some things in my life. And it might be kind of hard in the time. Actually, it's probably going to be super hard in that moment when you realize like, hey, my top 5 aren't really rooting for me. But imagine if you could fill those places and how much more full you'll feel when you have 5 who support you like no matter what. So yeah, that was this morning's little topic of the day. But we're about to go do leg day. Oh, and I'm wearing my new Whitney Simmons outfit. Hold on. Oh, you guys, if you saw the vlog yesterday, I got my Whitney Simmons package. I'm wearing the gray set to the gym today, and I'm also wearing the long sleeve shirt. But yeah, you guys saw this in the try on haul yesterday, but it's so cute. We never go to the gym when it's dark outside. I mean, anymore. We always used to. Yeah. That was a good time. I enjoyed that phase of life. Maybe we should revamp
the early grind.
Yeah. Just finished up at the gym, on the way home now because I need to shower quick and get ready to go get my hair done. But I just had to say that I loved the Whitney Simmons outfit. I thought it was awesome. Colin said he liked it too. But yeah, it was squat proof. I was like comfortable the whole time. It was like 10 out of 10. I loved it. I would say recommend, but it's sold out, so it's a little awkward, but I really liked it, for anyone wondering. I just got my hair done. I'm so sorry I have not vlogged in like a hot minute, but I was literally about to be late to my appointment, and I just was like kind of having an all over the place morning. I just was like kind of all over the place trying to get ready quick, and I just prioritized being on time over like being late. So yeah, but I did just get my hair done. We trimmed it, and then I did order like a 3rd row though, so I'm about to get another extension row put in just to make it a little more thick. But anyway, so she did trim it. I actually kind of like this like a little bit like shorter length, surprisingly. So I don't know what's gonna happen about this, but anyways, I just got my balayage touched up and I'm very, very happy with it. My girl Madison at Tribe Salon literally hooks it up so well. So anyways, I'm on my way home. My appointment was at 10. This literally takes so long, you guys. Getting your extensions moved up and stuff is just a process. I love the process though, but it's just a process. So it's currently 3:45. I did stay and like chat for a little bit, but anyways, 3:45. I'm so hungry. The only thing I've had today is a shake and a protein shake. And so Colin is meeting me at Tropical Smoothie Cafe, and we're gonna get little smoothies as like a little snack. I just said little a couple times, I'm sorry. I don't know why. And then I need to get home and get to work, and I've kind of thought today that we were gonna be doing the shiplap wall, but maybe that's not part of the plan. But yes, I did get the hair done. If you saw my Instagram story, I posted some things on Instagram from the chair. But yeah, sometimes, you know, I just I don't know, I've just been like off my game today. I'll get back on my game, don't worry, this is still gonna be a fun vlog. But I'm very hyped for this smoothie, and then we're gonna go home and have ourselves a day for the rest of the day. Colin made dinner last night. He might have to make dinner again tonight because I still have to edit that Gymshark haul for you guys, and I know you want to see that. So, and videos every day, but Saturday, right? Like, it's gotta go up. So I'm on my way home, almost to the smoothie place. I'm really happy he said that he wanted to meet me here though, so we can go on like a little smoothie lunch date. Okay, update. I'm at the smoothie place and Colin's phone died, and he said he doesn't know where this place is and he couldn't get directions. So now I'm gonna get the smoothies to go, and I need to figure out which one he wants, and I'm starving, so now I'm just gonna go in. Alright, got the smoothies. Guys, I legit need to wash my car so bad, send help. I just got home. I don't know why it's so dark in here. I'm gonna go. Colin's in the shower. I'm gonna scare him in 1 second. Look at how short my hair is. So short. Oh my god.
Oh my jeez.
Okay, so now that I am finally here and like we did all of our stuff. Okay, look at how much shorter my hair is. It's fine. It's so cute. I can't, it's an adjustment for me. What?
We really can't tell her for her.
Oh, okay, well that's good. So yeah, they have my 3rd row, and so next time I go in, I'm getting that one put in because I only have like 2 at a time. So like you just swap it out to like when one gets old, you swap it out. It's like, it's hard to explain. It's just how the packs come. It's just like your hair gets old, so you switch it in and out and whatever. Yeah, she just got an old weave, that's all. We still need to work on like our desk area, but I'm gonna start doing posts every Thursday about like home decor and stuff, I think. So, or maybe every Wednesday, I haven't really decided yet. I guess whatever works out best. But yeah, this area is looking really good to me. Comment down below if you do anything else. I really like minimalistic and like simple style though, so I don't wanna like overdo that. And then I'm still like MIA. This plant from Urban is MIA. It was supposed to ship the week we moved in. And I looked and I know, and now they're like, oh, it's on back order again. That's like super sketchy to me. And then over here we just need to like spruce up this area. I think we talked about doing the shiplap, attempting it tonight, so that's kind of exciting. It's kind of like so busy and don't have like food to make a full meal. So Colin just went and got us a Chipotle. Wait, did you give me a fork?
No, because we have forks.
I know, but it's so different when you don't eat it with the fork it came from.
I was about to get a fork too, and I was like, no, we don't need one.
Oh my gosh. Comment down below if you're that way. Like, you have to eat with the fork from the place that it came from. It can't just be me. It literally can't just be me.
When's this video release?
Tomorrow. You can't say anything.
Oh.
No.
Something important that we have to announce coming up.
What? Okay, so after much work and a video uploading, we decided we're going to try and, no, well, I mean, we'll succeed, but we are going to put up one of the shiplap walls or wallpaper things and see how it goes. So I'm very excited, and yeah, I'm a little nervous, but overall very excited. Oh no. All right, we got one up. All my hats are down. Calling through oh no.
Oh, man down.
Okay, we've washed our sheets and our towels tonight, so we still have to make the bed. But one down, we just wanted to test it out think we're gonna finish it. Looks kind of cool. We're literally just waiting on our sheets to dry so we can go to bed. But yeah, so update. This morning I kind of mentioned like, hey Colin, we should really get on this like 5 a.m. morning grind, and we're deciding to commit. So if you guys want to commit with us, 5 a.m. morning grind, we take about an hour to get ready in the morning. Sometimes a little longer just because we like to get up and do our routine. Don't worry, morning routine coming soon. But it's like a themed healthy mental health mindset morning routine. But yeah, so we are committing getting up at 5, getting to the gym by like 6:30 because we have to drive like 20 minutes to get there, but totally worth it because we love our gym. So yeah, if you guys want to like make the commitment with us and just try, if you've never done this before, just try for a week, because I'm telling you, we both used to be 5 a.m. wake up and workouters, and it's the best feeling to be awake when like you feel like the world's asleep. So yeah, you guys should give it a go. But I guess in the meantime, I'm going to do my skincare routine. I'm still using that same skincare that I showed you guys last time from Mamonde, this brand from Ulta, just because I obviously want to use it up. And honestly, I'm probably going to be using this toner water for a long time because a little goes a long way apparently. I feel like I haven't really done that much today because this literally took me like almost 5 hours to get done today. Tomorrow I want to get like some home things done. Thursday we're going to eat with my dad and Tara, so I want to like make sure we have a lot of things done by then. We're switching our date night to the weekend just because they asked us if we wanted to go eat, and obviously we do. So yeah, that's just kind of like a little mini life update. Oh my god, also I have a very exciting project coming soon of like somebody I'm working with, which is like a dream. I'm so excited. So yeah, we just like finalized everything today, so I literally can't wait for you guys to see that. It's gonna be in the morning routine video, but I'm so excited. Colin's laundry, oh my god, just noticed that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry, I just feel like I was so busy today. Vlogged as much as I could, but yeah, I hope you guys liked it though. Comment down below if you're excited for that little shiplap wall design thing we've got going on here. We're gonna finish it up in the next couple of days. Other than that, make sure you subscribe so you can see Self-Care Wednesday and House Cleaning Wednesday happening tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.